Hold on. So the nature versus nurture debate is a long-standing argument whether hereditary nature or environment nurture plays a bigger role. Like I said, a lot of people think it's 50%. It's not necessarily 50%. In contrast, nurture includes external influences that shape us, such as culture, relationships, and everyday experiences. For example, when it comes to personality development, some people believe that genetics plays a stronger role than environmental factors. This would be considered a nature-focused perspective. Others may view the environment as more important,